Hi, this is Leanna and Chase, and we're here today to give you a short video of getting started using your BraillePlus. It'll also work if you have an icon because they're almost the same, but you might have to change a few things since we'll be using the Braille keyboard a little bit. The BraillePlus and the icon have a fairly big hard drive, bigger than most PDAs or even some computers. And it runs fairly fast. It has 64 megabytes of RAM and 256 megabytes of ROM, which is very good for a handheld device the size of the BraillePlus. When you get your BraillePlus in its box and you open it up, you should find several things. You'll definitely find the BraillePlus Mobile Manager itself, and you'll also find some earbuds, which are useful if you don't want people to hear what you're doing on your device or you can't use sound for some reason. You'll also find a CD to install the Icon and BraillePlus Synchronize program, where you can send files from your computer to the BraillePlus if you need to. When you take your BraillePlus out of the box, you'll also find the battery. There's a battery compartment door which looks like this. To find it, you'll need to flip your BraillePlus over from the button side up till it's upside down. Then push down on the bottom part and slide open the battery compartment door. Insert your battery. There's a little indentation on the side of the battery here, and there's a little thing on the side of the battery compartment, so it only fits in one way. So it doesn't fit in one. You can put it in the other. Don't try to force it in because that won't work. Sometimes you have to also flip the battery over, even if it's on the same side. Sometimes they can be pretty hard to get in. I put mine in and it vibrated in my hand, which means it's going to get ready to start up. Then you can put on the back cover. And if it doesn't start talking, you can hold the cancel button, which is the button that is below the diamond-shaped keypad. It's the third key to the right. And you can hold it down, and you should hear. It takes a few seconds before it actually will start talking. If you put your ear close enough to your device, you're going to hear it kind of making a humming sound while it gets ready to start.
Welcome to the BraillePlus software version 1.06, build 21. Applications menu.
You heard it say, welcome to the BraillePlus software version 1.06, build 21, then a short pause, and then applications menu. If you didn't hear that, you'll want to plug your device in. When you get it, your battery should be charged, but if it's not, you need to plug it in through the AC adapter. You should have also gotten in the box this cable. It has a round block on one end and a part that you squeeze that goes into the bottom of your BraillePlus on the other. On the end with the block of the cable, there's one spot for the USB cable, which looks like this. One end plugs into the BraillePlus, like this end does, and then this end, the bigger end, plugs into your PC so you can send files. There's also another port here that you can plug in a QWERTY keyboard or a USB thumb drive. And on this side, next to, there's a small circle hole, and you can plug in the battery charger. To insert into the cable that goes into your BraillePlus, squeeze the sides of the part that is opposite of the block, and find the hole on the bottom of your BraillePlus. Hold the sides, otherwise it could permanently damage your device, and push in. You will hear a click and it's plugged in. Then take your AC adapter and plug it into the small round circle on the block. Then locate the other end of the AC adapter and plug it into a wall outlet nearby.